Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, and welcome back to our channel. We are back with another challenge video. So today we are doing the cookie challenge. Okay, you guys, so this is gonna be super funny. Okay, there's already cookie on my forehead from the trial. If you guys don't know what the cookie challenge is, what we're gonna do is that we have some cookies here, right? We have more than one cookie. Show you the pretty side. We have more than one cookie, so the rules are we're going to put the cookie on our forehead, and we're only supposed to use our facial muscles to get the cookie in our mouth. So whoever does that first wins the challenge, okay? But if the cookie falls, you can retry and try again until you get it. Okay, you get that? You get it? Sure you get it? Get it? All right, so let's get started. Ready?
I'm gonna win this time.
I
I have a revenge to take from the ramen. So
he said that about the ramens and he lost, and he knows that I don't like to give up and I don't like to lose.
ramen, you know, I like pepper, so I like cookies.
So let's see how he's gonna do. Look at him.
It's already melting.
Wait.
So at the end of the game, I'm gonna have chocolate all around my face.
Hold another one just in case. Give me this one because you're already eating it.
I'm eating it.
Alright, you guys. So we're about to start. Let's see how this goes. You ready?
I'm ready.
Come. 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, babe. We're gonna win. Mine already on my eye. Where is yours?
Mine is still my forehead. But you're gonna lose because you have a big nose.
Let me look.
You have a big nose. It's gonna be hard for you.
Wait. Me are gonna win.
It's gonna be hard for you to get
Me laugh too much. Me laugh too much and me almost reach. Wait, I'm giving you guys straight patwa in this one.
You're gonna lose. You're gonna lose.
Babe, where are you?
I'm in my eyes almost.
Babe, I want my tongue.
I'm gonna push you so you lose. You have too much. Your nose is too big.
Wait, oh my god.
You can't trick me because after I'm gonna look at the camera.
It dropped. Alright, I have to start over.
What should I do now?
Alright, I'm starting. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, you good. Baby.
Yeah, but where you started from?
I'm from my forehead. Baby, where are you?
I'm back from the beginning. As I was.
Look, baby.
I can't look. If I look, that would be a.
Alright, I'm gonna win now.
No, you're not gonna win. I'ma make you lose. You trick me.
Come, you still gonna go. You still gonna go.
Yeah, but that means I move my head.
Come. Facial muscles only. No shaking.
I'm a parrot. I'm a pirate.
You guys. So, there you have it.
I'm gonna check the camera to make sure you don't move your head. Okay, guys? You should trick me.
I have won another challenge, loser.
Let's see.
So there you go, guys. I have won the cookie challenge, which means I get to eat 2 cookies and he gets 0. No.
2 cookies. Two cookie. Two cookie. Come on, you need to eat, and we're gonna start the recording after. Alright, you need to end. You need to eat first. Let's go. Let's go.
Good girl.
Come on, you won. You have two cookies to eat.
Okay, you guys, so there you have it. Oh my god, there you have the cookie challenge. That was super fun. That was super fun, and hopefully I can't talk. That was super fun, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the cookie challenge. Yet another challenge Sunday. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new, and join our family. Share this video, comment so we can chit chat, and we'll see you guys in Monday's vlog. Bye guys.
Bye guys.